Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today, inshallah, we will do the exercise of the lesson number 3. So, any of you want to do, just simply please raise hands. Inshallah, we will do it together. This is the first question of the exercise. Answer the following questions. We have read the lesson yesterday, and according to the lesson, we have to give the answers. Kam Taliban fi fasli Ahmada. How many students are in the Ahmad's class? Kam Taliban fi fasli Aliyin. How many students? There are how many students in the Ali class? So we have to give the answer according to the lesson. So any of you who want to give the answer? Kam Taliban fi fasli Ahmada. Okay. Fi fasli Ahmada. Fi fasli Ahmada. Tis'ata ashara taliban. Fi fasli Ahmada. Tis'ata ashara taliban. In Ahmad's class, there are 19 students. Tis'ata ashara taliban, 19 students. Kam taliban fi aliyi. Fi fasli aliyin. Fi fasli aliyin. Arba'ata ashara taliban. Arba'ata ashara taliban. 14 students in the Ali class. Man atwalu talibin fi fasli Ahmada. Who is the tallest student in the Ahmad's class? Who is the tallest student in the Ahmad's class? Ibrahimu atwalu talibin fi fasli Ahmada. Ibrahimu atwalu talibin fi fasli Ahmada or fi faslihi, you can use both. Waman atwalu talibin fi fasli aliyin, and who is the tallest student in the Ali class? Usamatu atwalu talibin fi faslihi or fi fasli aliyin. Usama is the tallest student in the Ali class. So these are the answers of these 4 questions, and now we will do the lesson number 4. If the statement is correct, we have to mark there yes, and if the statement is wrong, we have to mark there this statement that cross. At-talibul jadidul ladhi jaa amsi ismuhu Usamatu. The students who came yesterday. The students who came yesterday. His name is Osama. So is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Okay, Nurlia.
It's right.
Okay, this one is right. This one is Sahih. Hamidun fi fasli Ahmada. Hamid is in the Ahmad's class. Hamid is in the Ahmad's class. So is it right or wrong? Okay, this is wrong. This is Not wrong. They are not both. They are not in the same class. Hamid and Ahmad, they are not in the same class. Al-Ma'ja'u Saminu Ghurfahu Awsa'u. 8 hostel rooms are vast, wide, spacious. This is wrong. They okay, this is wrong. Al-Mahja'u Saminu, 8 hostel rooms are vast, spacious. So this is wrong. The hostel 5 rooms are spacious. Al-Mahja'u Saminu Abadu min al-Mahja'il Khamisi. The hostel 5th hostel is far than the 8th hostel. 8th hostel is far from the 5th hostel. So this is true. Now we have to read the following examples. This is Ismu Tafdil. This is Ismu Tafdil. Hashimun Tawilun wa Hamidun Atwalu minhu. Hamid is tall. Hashim is tall. Hashimun Tawilun. Hashim is tall. Wa Hamidun Atwalu minhu. And Hamid is taller than him. And Hamid is taller than him. And the second example is Aminatu Sagiratun. Amina is small. Amina is small. Wa Zainabu Asgaru minha. And Zainab is smaller than her. And Zainab is smaller than her. Asgaru minha, smaller than her. So this is comparative degree. When there is a use of min, there is a comparative degree. Atwalu minhu, taller than him. Asgaru minha, smaller than her. Is there any of you who want to do this one? Translate and okay, I do it with Hazal Kitabu Ashalu min Zaka. Hazal Kitabu, this book, Ashalu min Zaka is easier than that. This book is easier than that. Min Zaka, than that. This book is easier than that. Hazihi sayaratu ajmalu min tilka. Hazihi sayaratu, this car is more beautiful. Ajmalu, more beautiful. Min zaka, than that. This car is more beautiful than that. Min tilka, this is a feminine of zaka. Tilka, this car is more beautiful than that. Hamzatu akbaru minni sinnan. Hamzatu akbaru minni. Hamza is older than me. Hamza is older than me. Sinnan, in age. Hamza is older than me in age. Sinnan, we have learned, it means in age. Hamzatu akbaru minni sinnan. Hamza is older than me in age. Hamza is older in age than me. Haula ittulabu ahsanu min ulaika. Haula ittulabu, these students. Haula ittulabu, these students. Ahsanu min ulaika, are more better. These students are more better than that. Ulaika, than those. This is a plural of zalika. Ulaika is plural of zalika. these students are more better than those. Ulaika those. So these students are more better than those. Yes, Nurlia.
Can I continue?
Okay, you continue.
Number 5. Baiti ab'adu anil madrasati min baitika. My house is further.
Is more far. My house is more far.
It's more far, more is further than your house to the school.
My house is
It's further.
My house is further away. My house is far away.
It's further
from
far
the
away
school.
from the school. From the
Yes.
school than yours.
Than your house. Yes.
House. Huwa asgharu minna sinnan. He is younger than me.
He is younger than us. Minna. This is not
minna than us.
Than us.
Minna.
He is younger than us in age. Sinnan in age. He is younger than us in age.
In age.
Yes.
Qatti ahsanu min qattika. My handwriting is better, is nicer than yours.
Khatti ahsanu min khattika. My handwriting is more better than your writing.
Than yours.
Okay.
هذا شارع
هذا
الشارع أنظف من ذلك. من ذلك. This street is cleaner than that.
Okay. This street is cleaner than that. Okay, good.
Than that. Al-labanu ahsanu min shayi. The milk is better than tea.
The milk is better than tea. Okay, good.
Than tea. هذه الساعة أرخص من تلك. This watch is cheaper than that.
Okay, good. This watch is cheaper than that.
Than that.
Okay, very good. Okay, the next question is, make sentences containing adjective in the comparative degree with the help of the words given in the exercise. So we have to make the sentences using comparative degree. Comparative degree, we have to use min. In the comparison, we have to use min. Hashimun atwalu min Usmana. Hashimun atwalu min Usmana. So like this, we have to do the other example. Who of you can do this one? Any of you? Okay. Mohyuddin. Mohyuddin, please open your mic.
Asim atwalu min Usman. Al-Qahiratu akbaru min Riyadh.
Not like this. Al-Qahiratu.
Asal funduki. Ansif min dhalika.
No, not like this. We need a proper pronunciation. We need a
اللغة
proper,
العربية
we need a,
أسهل من اللغة الفرنسية.
anyone else?
نعم
We need a proper pronunciation.
نعم.
Okay, wait, you listen, I will do it. Okay.
اللغة العربية
Al-Qahiratu akbaru minar riyadi. Al-Qahiratu akbaru minar riyadi. Cairo is bigger than Riyadh. Cairo is bigger than Riyadh. Al-Qahiratu akbaru minar riyadi. Okay, the next is Hazal funduku. Hazal funduku anzafu. Hazal funduku anzafu min zaka. Min zaka. This hotel is cleaner than that. This hotel is cleaner than that. Anzafu min zaka. Cleaner than that. This hotel is cleaner than that. Hazal funduku anzafu min zaka. This hotel is cleaner than that. Al-lughatul arabiyatu ashalu. Al-lughatul arabiyatu ashalu minal lughatil firansiyati. Ashalu minal lughatil firansiyati. Arabic language is easier than the French language. Arabic language is easier than the French language. Ashalu minal lughatil firansiyati. Ana akbaru minhu. Ana akbaru minhu. The attached pronoun of huwa is who. Attached pronoun of huwa is who. Ana akbaru minhu. I am older than him. I am older than him. Huwa saghirun anta. Huwa saghirun anta. So huwa asgharu minka. Huwa asgharu minka. The attached pronoun of anta is ka. Huwa asgharu minka. He is smaller than you. He is smaller than you. Ar-rijalu aksaru minan nisa'i. Ar-rijalu aksaru minan nisa'i. The men are more than women. The men are more than women. Minan nisa'i aksaru minan nisa'i, more than women. Anta hasanun ana. Anta ahsanu minni. Ana minni. Anta ahsanu minni. You are better than me. You are better than me. Minni, than me. Anta ahsanu minni. You are better than me. Al-mawzu rakhisun. Al-inabu. Al-mawzu arkhasu. Al-mawzu arkhasu minal inabi. Minal inabi. The banana are cheaper than the grapes. Banana is cheaper than the grape. Al-mawzu arkhasu minal inabi. The bananas are cheaper than the grapes. Al-inabu, grapes. Ash-shamsu ba'idun al-qamaru. Ash-shamsu ab'adu. Ba'idun ab'adu. Ash-shamsu ab'adu minal qamari. Ab'adu minal qamari. The sun is more far than the moon. The sun is further than the moon. Abadu minal qamari. And this is we learn about the comparative degree. All this was comparative degree. Now we will learn about the superlative degree. Muhammadun talibun hasanun. Muhammad is a good student. Muhammad is a good student. Muhammadun talibun hasanun. Muhammad is a good student. Muhammadun ahsanu talibin. The noun following the adjective, it will be majroor. Ahsanu talibin, best student. Ahsanu talibin, best student, the best student. It means the best. So Muhammadun ahsanu talibin fil fasli. Muhammad is the best student in the class. So this is superlative degree. Ahsanu talibin, superlative degree. Okay. Hada baitun jamilun. This house is beautiful. Hada baitun jamilun. This house, this is a beautiful house. This is a beautiful house. Hada ajmalu baitin. Hada ajmalu baitin fi shari'i. This is a beautiful house. This is the most beautiful house. This is the most beautiful house in the street. Fi shari'i, in the street. This is the most beautiful house in the street. Aminatu talibatun saghiratun. Amina is a young student. Amina is a young student. Aminatu asgharu talibatin. Asgharu talibatin fil madrasati. Amina is the youngest student in the school. Amina is the youngest student in the school. So these are the examples. And by following these examples, we have to do these questions here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So who of you want to do this one? Any of you? Hazihi ghurfatun saghiratun. Okay, Nurlia. Hazihi ghurfatun saghiratun. This is a small room.
Yes. هذه أصغر غرفة في بيتنا.
Okay, good.
هذه أصغر
Okay.
غرفة في بيتنا.
Good. هذه
بلال.
أصغر غرفة في بيتنا. This is the smallest room in our house. This is the
Oh yeah,
this
smallest
is
room.
in our house.
The smallest room in our house.
في بيتنا, in our house. هذه أصغر غرفة في بيتنا. This is the smallest room in our house. Bilalun laibun hasanun. Bilalun laibun hasanun. Bilal is a good player.
بلال أحسن لاعب في فريقنا. Bilal is the best player.
Best player
in فريقنا. What is that? فريقي.
في
In the field.
في فريقنا, in our team. في
Our
فريقنا,
field.
in our team.
Our team. فريقنا.
Yeah. Bilalun. Bilalun ahsanu laibin fi farikina. Bilal is the best player in our team.
In our team.
Yes. Yasirun rajulun fakirun.
رجل فقير.
Okay.
ياسر أفقر رجل في قريتنا.
Translate,
Yasir is
translate first, then you change it. Yasirun,
Yasirun,
Rajulun, Fakirun.
Rajulun, Yasir,
Yasir is a poor man.
is a man,
Yasir
is a man,
poor man.
is a
Yes,
poor man
yes.
in our village.
Okay, no, not in our
Yasirun,
village. Yasirun, Rajulun, Fakirun. Yasir is a poor man. Now you change this one.
oh, I see, okay. Yasirun, sorry. Yasirun,
Afqaru.
afqaru rajulin fi qaryatina. Yasirun is the poorest man in our village.
Our village. Yasirun afqaru rajulin fi qaryatina. Yasir is the poorest man in our village.
Poorest man in our village.
Yasir is the poorest man in our village.
Poorest man in our village. هذا درس سهل.
هذه
This-
ساعة رخيصة.
Oh, هذه ساعة رخيصة. This watch is cheap.
Okay, this is a cheap watch. This is a cheap watch.
This is a cheap watch.
Yes.
هذه أرخص ساعة أرخص ساعة في السوق.
Okay.
This is the cheapest watch in the market.
In the market. هذه أرخص ساعة في السوق. This is the cheapest watch in the
Cheapest
market.
watch.
In the market.
هذا درس سهل.
درس سهل. درس سهل.
هذا درس.
درس.
هذا درس سهل.
Okay.
This subject, what do you call درس?
This is an easy lesson.
This is an easy lesson. Okay. هذا أسهل درس في الكتاب. This is this is the most difficult lesson in this.
This is the easiest lesson.
The most easiest. This is the most easiest lesson in this book. In the book.
Okay. When we use the comparative or the superlative degree, then we don't use more and most.
Okay.
The easiest mean the most. Easiest mean the most. Okay.
All right.
This is the easiest lesson in the book. Haza ashalu darsin fil kitabi. This is the easiest lesson in the book. Okay. Good.
Ad-Dukturu Zakia
Zakaria.
Tabibun. Ad-Dukturu Zakaria Tabibun Shahirun. Dr. Zakaria is a famous
Doctor. Okay, good.
Ad-Dokturun Zakaria Ashharu Tabibin fi baladina. Dr. Zakaria is the
most famous. Dr.
most
Zakaria
famous. Is the most famous doctor in our country.
Okay, good. Ashharu tabibin, the most famous doctor.
Ashharu.
Okay, good.
Al-Azharu Jami'atun Qadimatun. University Al-Azhar is an old university.
Al-Azhar is the old university.
Oldest
Old university. Not the old. Al-Azhar is a old university.
An old university.
Okay.
Al-Azharu Aqdami Aqdamu Jami'atin fil alami.
The Al-Azhar.
University, Azhar University is the
Azhar is
oldest.
Azhar is the oldest university in the world.
Oldest, yes. Azhar is the
Al-Azharu.
oldest university.
Al-Azharu Aqdamu Jamiatin fil Alami. Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world.
Okay. Al-Ustazu Nu'manu Mudarrisun Hasanun. Ustaz Nu'man is a good teacher.
Okay.
Al-Ustazu Nu'manu Ahsanu Mudarrisin fil Madrasati.
Okay, good.
Ustaz Nu'man, the best teacher in our school.
Okay.
In the school.
Ustad Numan
the
is
school.
the best teacher in the school.
Best in the school.
Best teacher in the school. Okay, good.
Best teacher.
Next, Haza Darsun.
Hada darsun sa'bun. This lesson is difficult.
This is a difficult lesson. This is a
This
difficult
is
lesson.
a difficult lesson.
Hmm.
هذا أصعب درس في الكتاب. This most difficult. This is the most difficult lesson in our book.
Book. Good. Hada Asabu Darsin fil Kitabi. This is the most difficult lesson in the book.
Difficult in our book. هذا فصل واسع. This class is spacious.
Spacious.
This
Good.
class is spacious.
This is a spacious class. This is a spacious class.
This is a spacious class.
This class has al
Hada-
fasalu. This class has al fasalu. If you want to say this class, then we will say hazal fasalu.
Oh.
Then okay, haza faslun wasiun. This is a
spacious class.
okay, good.
هذا أوسع فصل في الكليات.
Okay.
This is the most spacious class in
the faculty. This is the most spacious
in the faculty. In the faculty.
Yes, this is the most spacious classroom in the faculty.
In the faculty. أوسع.
Okay, good. And next we have to use walakinna. You are welcome. Walakinna. Walakinna but. At-talibun kasirun al-faslu saghirun. At-talibu kasirun lakinnal fasla saghirun. There are many students, but the classroom is small. Students are many, but the classroom is small. So we have to use but. Lakinna, the noun after the lakinna will be mansoob here. Lakinnal fasla. Hamidun mujtahidun sadiqhu kaslanu. Hamidun mujtahidun lakinna sadiqahu kaslanu. Hamid is hardworking. Hamid is a hardworking, but his friend is lazy. Sadiqahu kaslanu. His friend is lazy. And lakinna, it is sadiqu. But because of the lakinna, it becomes sadiqa. Sadiqu become mansoob here, and it becomes sadiqa. Hamidun mujtahidun lakinna sadiqahu kaslanu, but his friend is lazy. And same following this example, you have to do this one. Our time is over here. You can do it, and later we can continue tomorrow about this lesson more. Inshallah, next Saturday we will continue this lesson. Any of you have any question, you can WhatsApp me about the lesson. So you want to ask anything? We have 1 minute. You can ask quickly. I think nobody want to ask anything. So, ila liqai ma salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ustaz.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ustaz.
You're welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.